everybody. This is Rexanna, and today we're going to be doing a short video over some essential oil, an essential oil roll-on that you can use for yourself or you can make as a gift. But before I get started, I wanted to quickly go over some information about a promise video that I had said earlier about my channel name, and that is basically why I changed the name from Garden of Herbs to Past Present Herbs. And very quickly, in some of the other videos, I had just said that we were going to be doing some classes, and we were also going to have a website. And in doing a website, anybody that's ever done a website will find out it's easy for some people and it's complicated for others. But in Garden of Herbs, there's a lot of other Garden of Herbs out there, and without going into a lot of other detail, to get people to come to my website, you would also be going to a lot of other websites. So even though I purchased my website a long time ago, I just didn't put any content on it. So that led me to people not being able to find me. So you would be going to a lot of other places that were similar to me, but they would not have my content on it. So long story short, I just decided to change my name, even though I had purchased my name a long time ago. So if you know a little bit about what I'm talking about, you would know that it's a big deal. So I just decided to really change the name. Is the easiest way to go about doing it, and that way when you come to Past Present Herbs, you don't have a lot of other people that are mimicking you or kind of sort of like you, and I stand out all by myself. So with all that said, we can go on, and that's really it. And I think I do stand out. I'm a little unique. I don't do a lot of things that a lot of other people do, and I think when you come here, you'll feel comfortable here, and you won't be if you don't like it here and you do like other places, you'll know within a short amount of time. So yeah, that's why I did what I did. And so now we are, from this moment on, we are Past Present Herbs. And with all that, we're going to start the video. And today is about essential oils. I love this modality. I don't know a whole lot about essential oils, but I've been learning for the past year. I am not an aromatherapist. I just want to say that right away. I am learning as much as I can and hope to someday hold some sort of certification in aromatherapy. So we have to start somewhere, right? And so with all that said, I do consult an aromatherapist. I consult a couple of aromatherapists, and I know that I've been using this combination, and I have bought similar bottles that have this particular blend in it, and I absolutely love it. So I wanted to make a roller blend instead of just having the complete bottle with me, like a 10 ml bottle. So I created a roller blend for myself about a year ago, and I thought, you know, this is a really convenient way. I got a complete kit, and this had a roller blend bottle in it, and I created my own blend, and so I'm going to share it with you today. I love eucalyptus oil. So I have, let me tell you the three that I really love mixed together. When I have like a little runny nose, kind of feel not really heavily bad, but I do feel like something coming on, I like to get an essential oil to go with my tea and my tincture. And so I think essential oils are very powerful. They're very good to go as in combination with what you got going on with your tea and your tincture. Sometimes teas are quick, they're administered quickly in your essential oil. Sometimes that's all you need. Something a little bit stronger could be your tincture. But I got Eucalyptus globulus. I got white pine, and that's the eastern pine. And then I got peppermint, which is superior peppermint, and that's a very strong peppermint. And so these all three in combination with a carrier oil, and this carrier oil that I'm using, which you could use something that won't be so quick to. This is just what I have, and I have another one, but it's scented carrier oil. And I didn't want to use the scented carrier oil. This is a fractionated coconut oil. And I've got one that I use for my face, which is a jojoba oil. I didn't want to use the jojoba oil because that's primarily for cosmetics, and I didn't want to use that. So I thought this one would be okay. Fractionated coconut oil does work really well for a roller bottle. So you can use whatever you want that maybe you have experience with. The essential oils do stay on for quite a while. So anyway, I've got a 10 ml roller bottle, and I've got the roller bottle inside the lid. And you can get these at any health food store, or you can order them on Amazon, or any aromatherapy website will have them. And I've got a funnel here. You could get the plastic ones. This one I just got from my tincture bottles. And this is a neat little tool. This helps you get your little roller bottle off. This will come with a pack of 10 or 12 roller bottles that you can get on Amazon. It's very nice to have. And now I'm going to go ahead and tell you, I always start with my eucalyptus, because eucalyptus I do about 10 to, some people don't like to use a lot of eucalyptus because eucalyptus is very strong. So eucalyptus, I start out with about 10 to 12 drops. You can put 15, but that's a lot. But you want to start out with less first instead of more, because you can't take it away. So start out with about 10 to 12 and go slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So you want to stop, put your lid on. Now white pine is a really good one. You can smell of it. It's not overpowering like eucalyptus is. You could do about 10 drops of white pine. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 drops of white pine. And this is safe for a child, I would say around 6, 7. Peppermint is pretty strong as well. I would do about 10 drops of it. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Oh, 1. Okay. Okay. So what you want to do is you want to kind of get it to so this is my experience. You want to set that down. Looks like 1 drop is going to be left in there. You want to kind of just let it roll around in the bottle. and you can smell it. You can put your finger on it and kind of now you can decide for a minute whether you, to me that's very pleasant smelling. It's not too overpowering, but you got to think about when you hold it up to the light, there's not a whole lot of oils in there. What I like to do, and this is just me personally, I like to stick about 1 dropperful of this fractionated coconut oil in there, because to me, this is me, I can almost feel like when I've got a little bit of coconut oil in there, or the carrier oil, excuse me, and I let it roll around in there with that, it almost gets stronger. It actually, to me, gets stronger. Now, some people may think that's not true, but after you let it roll around in there, you may not agree with me. You may think, oh, that doesn't really smell that strong. I'm gonna put about 3 or 4 drops of each one, and then I'm gonna let it sit for a second. This is the peppermint. Okay, that's the peppermint. You got to think about the person that if you're making this for a person, do they have really, do they like it stronger? Do they like it, do they have a sensitive nose? And how are you going to ask them that? You know, do they wear really strong perfumes? Now I don't want to come out. May have air in it. You know, you might think about that. And when somebody's sick, oh, that was too fast. Okay. So, eucalyptus, remember, is your strongest oil. It's like walking through a forest. I don't know if I want another drop of that. Okay, I think that was enough. So, got some on the outside of the bottle. So let it sit there for a second. Oh yeah, that's really good right now. That's it's a perfect blend, I think. That's just the right amount. And I think that's really actually too much. But I'm gonna let it be, because I'm gonna put my carrier oil in there now. And you may want to know, like, you could put this on your chest, you could put this behind your ears, down your throat, and right here, I'm going to show you where I like to put mine the best. I could put it right here, right in there. And the reason I do it is because I rub it right here. And then I section my hands like that. Don't ever put it underneath your nose. Don't ever put it in your nose or around your nose. Don't ever put it on your face at all. Never put it on your face. I see people actually put a bottle like this up to their nose like that. That's not good to do that. That's so not good. Cup your hands like this. Take a deep breath. Put it down here. I can smell it all the way down here, because you know what? When you put it right there, oh, it smells so good. It's so strong right there. And you can put it right here on your wrist. It goes directly into your blood vein. You are getting these oils soak into your blood. They soak all the way into your skin. That's why essential oils right here on the back of my hand, I have blood vessels right here. And I can smell it in my mouth. I can smell it, and it's so strong. You know, I really, for the longest time, I'm such an herb junkie. I call myself an herb junkie. And people in the town that I used to live in, they used to call me the herb chick. I'm such an herby person, and I loved essential oils, but I just didn't understand, you know, everything behind essential oils. But now I've been doing some reading, and I really get the whole idea behind essential oils. Now, we're going to put the cap on. And then we're going to shake it, and we're going to roll it. And so we got the oil coming out, and smells divine. Yeah, the longer they sit in this bottle, the more potent they are going to become. So really, that's why I didn't want to just, you want these to have a carrier oil. And the more I try to wipe that off, because you want to, I named mine Deep Breathe, because you want to get that scent, and it's a fragrance, but it's also a scent. You want to get this deep down into your lungs. And for me, I'm going to put it right here, because I want it close, but I don't want it like all up in my nose like that. You can just put it right here. So when you're breathing, it's going to be going up. And before I go to bed, a lot of times what I do, I have this, I carry it. The reason these bottles are so awesome is because, see, I can put it right there, and I have it right in my purse. I have it right there by my bed. I'm drinking my tea. A lot of times peppermint tea, the reason I really like it is because of the volatile oils, or not volatile oils, well, the oils that are in peppermint tea. That's the reason it takes away your headache, opens up your lungs so you can breathe. Eucalyptus is really good. If you have a eucalyptus plant, you can put it in there in the shower while you're breathing. And you can take eucalyptus on a really nice hot wash rag. You put it on your wash rag, just like three drops will do. And then you can just sit there and breathe while you're taking a shower. Eucalyptus and pine and peppermint are great essential oils to have around during cold and flu season. They're great if you have sinus headache. They're great if you're just trying to make a gift for somebody. Now is a great time to get your essential oils out, make yourself a gift, make your neighbor a gift, make your mom a gift. Pass one along to somebody who you know that might be struggling. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and conclude this video. I just wanted to pop on here and let everybody know what was going on, and at the same time let you guys know that I hope y'all have a happy holiday, and I hope everybody has a joyful time. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos. I know I have been just running around here doing all kinds of stuff, and I thought, you know, I've got to get on here and share this real easy recipe with y'all. And I'll be popping on here real soon, and we'll be doing an inhaler. Okay, so you guys, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.